Today I'm checking out these curb ramps that were sent to me so I could do this review. Let's get them out of the box, check them out, and I'm going to show you how I plan on using them. So here's the two curb ramps out of the box. It does come with hardware down here, so if you want to install these, like let's say on some concrete or asphalt where you're wanting to put them into the ground to hold them in place, comes with that. Of course, it comes with the manual too. These are nice size ramps and they have a nice size lift on them. I'm personally going to be using these on our shipping container where we store our mower, and we have a hard time getting the mower into the shipping container because it's just so high off the ground. This is going to let us just roll right up. So these are the curb ramps up against one of our shipping containers. And you can see here, I'd easily be able to drive the UTV up on those and get in there with no problem. Normally we have a hard time because there's this section here that I have to go up. And if I'm doing the mower, UTV really didn't have much problem going in, but when I did the mower, it would really just slide on that metal. And even my skid steer, if I ever tried to put it in a shipping container, would just kind of bounce around until it finally went in. But these let you go right in. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the UTV in just to make sure they do really well. The UTV drove right in there and those ramps didn't even budge. They must be able to hold a lot of weight. I'm assuming you could drive a car or anything like that across those. Be no problem. So yeah, I really like them. I think you will too. And I hope all of this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.